Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, good morning. Welcome to day 3 of Abu Dhabi Finance Week. Welcome to our jewel, Fintech Abu Dhabi, now in its staggering 7th edition. Welcome to the day where we invest in the transition era from the lens of financial technology. Here and now, at the epicenter of the dynamic intersection of finance and technology under the patronage of His Highness Sheikh Khalid bin Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, the Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi and Chairman of the Abu Dhabi Executive Council. Fintech Abu Dhabi started as a pioneer and a warrior, well ahead of the curve, awakening our imagination, charting the disruption of our norms, and making change and innovation our constant. And its trajectory remains spellbinding, as you will experience today. I sense that you may be thinking that this is an unusual move to have me, ADGM Courts, opening Fintech Abu Dhabi, given the clear demographic of guests here today, steeped in finance and ranging from the curious to the entrepreneurs to the masters of financial technology. I agree, but I am here as testament to what can be achieved with ambition in technology in the most unexpected sector, the judiciary, which we have transformed because we are in this extraordinary international financial center. Our unique solutions for the enforcement of judgments on the blockchain and our immersive mediation in the metaverse have branded the court and ADGM Arbitration Center as trailblazers in the unexpected. We have relentlessly pursued what Thomas Edison, the famous inventor, said many years ago. There's a way to do it better. Find it. Fintech Abu Dhabi is no longer an event. It is a pivotal moment to stop and test the temperature and tap into the thoughts of the leaders in global finance. Those top minds in banks, those regulators, tech innovators, entrepreneurs and academics driving the future of the industry. The insightful discussions at Fintech Abu Dhabi do not shape the future of Fintech landscape. They create its landscape and open our minds to the endless possibilities for the future for the financial sector. We will engage in a deep dive discourse backed up by data and analyses into opportunities, risks, mindsets, and ambition, from powering the fintech ecosystem to understanding the nuances of UX, decoding e-commerce, and navigating the intricate nuances of UX. Fintech Abu Dhabi is not just a part of Abu Dhabi Finance Week. It is its heartbeat, the pulsating energy that propels us forward in this transition era. So we will traverse the technological implications on the global banking system. The next human agenda, as we've heard, is so important from Ray Dalio. Digital payment trends, cybersecurity, market integrity, and so much more. On behalf of ADGM, thank you for joining us on this annual mission of adventure and exploration. On behalf of ADGM, I have no doubt that your contribution will make this yet another immensely successful edition of Fintech Abu Dhabi and a memorable edition of Abu Dhabi Finance Week. Thank you.